Hello everyone, with my mom.
Hello everyone.
We are here at HOMEGOODS and TJ Maxx. I have a list of things that I need to buy for the new apartment. So, and then it's just boring stuff. It's nothing fun. It's like bath mat, tongs, spatula. So things for the kitchen, for the place. So we're gonna take you inside. HOMEGOODS, TJ Maxx. Mama's gonna get a cart because we know we're gonna need a cart. Okay. You know what I want to? Mom, go to the bathroom stuff. Oh, is it this way? Oh, let's look at the comforters too. I want a new comforter, remember?
Comforter or the set?
I need a new comforter. Set comforter with pillowcases. Yeah, I want something like simple. I want like a blush color, like this one. Yeah.
DKNY, that's a lot of money. How much is it?
5-piece, full clean, $60.
Oh, that's not bad. DKNY. You have to then you put the.
All right, options. Let's look at blush. Purple king. Nope. How about this color? Oh, that's a king. Clearance. Oh wait, look.
This one?
Can you yak this in the wash, you think?
Yeah, this you can yak.
Yeah, I want something like this, but blue?
You want thinner than that.
I don't know if they make it thinner than this.
And you don't put nothing in your.
Yes. All right. See, Mom, I need, these are tongs. These are what tongs are. Thank you. All right, ready? Hi everyone, how's it going? So I did a little bit of a kind of shop with me, not really, in HOMEGOODS with my mom. You guys saw that, and I really didn't get that much footage, honestly, because it's so hard to actually film and vlog when you're really searching for specific things. So I figured I would do the haul at the end of this video. But I did want to show you guys what I picked up at HOMEGOODS. So we didn't go to the TJ Maxx part because honestly, all I needed were things for the apartment. I'm here in my kitchen, as you can see. Not much is going on because I'm still unpacking. I've been living here for about a week and I'm still trying to figure out where things should go. So I'm gonna do an apartment tour for sure. But yeah, there's just a lot of things that were missing. So I got, well, how many bags do I have? 3 bags here. Let's bring this one over here. I'll show that at the end. Okay, so I'm just going to pull things out of the bag. So this is the big bag. So I ended up getting a step stool. This is a Samsonite step stool. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have tons of cabinet space here in my kitchen and I cannot reach the top shelves. So I had to get myself a step stool, and I have one of these already. Oh, it's connected right here, so I can't open it, but you just push it down and it turns into like a step. And I have a smaller one up in my room because my closet has a shelf above where you hang the clothes, and I can't reach that. So that step stool has to stay up there because I can't reach my pants and my tank tops and stuff. So I had to get another one for the kitchen. So, oh, this was, if you guys are curious, how much was this? This was $12.99. Another thing that I needed as well was a bath mat. So I don't have a mat for my bathroom, and I wanted a thinner one. I typically go for the really foamy, fluffy ones when it comes to bathroom mats because I like to feel like a squishy foam on my feet. But this I thought would be more practical to wash and just dry, like hang dry. So I got it's called the Hotel Vendome Spa Collection. And it's a set of 2. It's a 2-piece tub mat set, and it's 100% cotton, but this is a thinner material. It's machine washable, and the whole point of me getting a thinner material was that I could just pick it up and throw it into the washing machine, because the foam ones, you can't really wash easily. So I figured, you know, this time around I'm gonna try something a little thinner. Let me know if you guys use a thinner mat where your bathtub is when you step out, or a foam or a thicker mat. I've always used a thicker mat my whole entire life, even at my mom's house growing up. So I figured I would try something like this. And it looks like a normal towel, but it is a bath mat. So there's 2 in here. And I decided my bathroom was going to be this blue theme because my room is gonna be more pink once I get my new comforter set. That's gonna be pink. My kitchen is neutral, as you can see. And my living room has a lot of dark pieces. So I figured the bathroom could be this blue color, and it's a really soft blue. So I will show you guys the shower curtain that I got to kind of go with this. And this was $14.99. I got this is the last big item. My receipt, I need to keep that. So this I got because I don't have one. It's a cutting board. So I really love the wood cutting boards the best. I don't really prefer the plastic ones for some reason. I grew up using the plastic ones, but I wanted a wooden one, and I went with my mom. You guys saw in the vlog, but she told me to get the one with the little edge right here, the indented edge, because if you're cutting something up that's really juicy or is very water-based and it kind of drips all over, it's not going to spill onto the floor, it's just going to spill into these little edges. So this was $7.99. It's a really good size. I didn't want one that was too big, but I didn't want a really tiny one either. So this was, again, $7.99. They don't do the dimensions. Do they tell you the dimensions? They don't have dimensions on this, sorry. But yeah, so I got that. And then also for the kitchen, I got this. This was $14.99. Taylor's Eye Witness 3-piece kitchen knife set. So it looks like that. I don't know. I needed some knives and my mom picked it out. So I was like, okay, I trust her opinion when it comes to kitchen items because she cooks a lot and I don't cook that often, but I'm trying to get into it now that I have this huge kitchen to cook in. So yeah, I got these knives here and they're just black and they have a really nice good grip to them, which I really like. Hard titanium plating, $14.99. Yeah, so I got that. Okay, oh, here is my shower curtain. I'm really excited to put this up. I'm actually gonna put up right now. It's 8:30 at nighttime and I just got back to the apartment, but I kind of want to get all this stuff out. I want to do this haul because I want to put all this stuff away. So I have my box light in front of me. So if the lighting's a little off or a little yellow, my kitchen light is the light bulb is very yellow. So I need to change that to like a day light or an LED light. But anyway, I do have my soft box here. So I'm going on a tangent. So I got this shower curtain. It's by DKNY, and this was $19.99. Okay, so it's $19.99, and it's really awesome because it's an ombre, and it has like this floral texture on it. So I'm gonna try to zoom into the camera. You can see the sample picture there. It's from a really light blue to a deeper blue, which I think will go really well with the rug that I just showed you, the bath mat. So yeah, $19.99, originally $30, and I love it. And I love how there's different shades of blue in there. So I'm excited about that. Again, all this is from HOMEGOODS. Okay, so the last, no, not the last thing. A kitchen item that I picked up were these wooden spoons. So my mom cooks a lot of Asian food, and a lot of it is cooked with, she uses a lot of wooden spoons, whether it's cooking up beef or ground beef or vegetables. I do have a few plastic ones that I picked up, but wooden spoons are really great, and I've used them pretty much all my life. I've seen my mom use them growing up. This is only $3.99, and you get 6 different spoons. You get some that are flat edged, some that are round, some that have little holes in it as well. So this was a really good deal for $3.99. You get 6. Okay. And then the last bag from TJ Maxx is full of kitchen stuff. All right, let's do this. This is the Sabatier slotted spatula. So it has a little slot here, and this is like great if you're just cooking eggs, pancakes, anything like that. And this one has a really pretty white marble handle. You guys know I love white marble. So this was only $2.99. So I thought it was really pretty, and yeah, got that. And then I also got this, the Calphalon, what do you call this? Ladle, the ladle. I couldn't think of the name, sorry you guys. So I got this ladle, pretty basic. This is just a ladle, and this was $3.99, and it has a gripper on it. And did I pronounce that name right? Calphalon, right? Calphalon. I don't know. Someone correct me because I know you guys will. And this is heat safe silicone. So yeah, got that because I don't have a ladle. And then I also got these because I don't have oven mitts. So this is the Lycone oven mitt, heat resistant up to 400 degrees. 100% cotton with silicone, and I really like these because the entire hand is a silicone grip, which is great because a lot of the ones that are fabric can really burn easily. And I got 2 of them, and this is like a really pretty teal color, and these were $5.99 each, so it was $12 for the set. And then I got this, which is a KitchenAid swivel peeler, and I got the gray one. They had a bunch of different colors, and some of them had like a really thick handle for some reason, and I preferred the skinnier one just because it takes up less space. And this was $3.99, so I got that. And then the last thing I picked up, what is this? Oh yes, the last thing I picked up was this white marble toothbrush holder because I don't have a toothbrush holder, which is mind-boggling, but I love white marble, as you guys know, so I'm gonna incorporate white marble into my bathroom as well. I have a few white marble pieces here in the living room, but this is a toothbrush holder, so got that. Oh, this was $6.99 for the toothbrush holder, and that was the last thing that I picked up at HOMEGOODS. Another place that we went to was the Dollar Tree really quick because we're trying to look for something specific for my mom's house and we couldn't find it. But while I was there, I picked up a few random things. You guys know I've been really into Dollar Tree. I love Dollar Tree. Everything's a freaking dollar. Like, you can't beat it. So the first thing that I picked up was this lighter. This is a one of those longer lighters for barbecues, fireplaces, candles, camping, it says, and it was $1. I have a small lighter and then like the one with a smaller tip like this, and then I have a normal lighter, but I figured I would need a long stem one for some cases, you never know, and it was $1. So I picked that up. I also picked up this splatter screen. I was cooking, so before I went to see my mom, I was cooking here on the stove and I was reheating some ground beef. It was like this ground beef mixture, and it was splattering everywhere at me. So I was like, oh my gosh, I need one of these. And when I saw it at the Dollar Tree, I was like, I'm just gonna pick this up for now. If I wanna get a better one later, I can, but this is just going to be really helpful so I don't get oil splattered all over me. And then the last thing I picked up at the Dollar Tree was, what do they call this? Non-slip shelf liner, and I got the black. And this I'm either going to use on my shelves or in my drawers, just so things don't slide around. Yeah, you can use this for multiple things. But yeah, it's just like a rubber liner. So I got that. My mother and I also went to Lowe's because we had to get, hold on one second. We had to get a shower stopper. Is that what it's called? Snap-in sink strainer. Wait, this is for the sink? My mom said this is for the shower. Anyway, my shower right now, the drain is completely open. So it's like a big black hole when you look in there, and it's kind of scary. So I was like, Mom, I need something to like plug that up, or just like, you know, it looks scary. I feel like I'm gonna get sucked into the black hole. But she told me this one would fit mine because she's been to my apartment, obviously. And looking at it, it looks kind of small. So if this doesn't fit, I have to exchange it, but it's one of those little stoppers for the drain. And while we were at Lowe's, I was telling my mom how I really wanted to get a plant for my new apartment because I feel like I need another living organism in this apartment besides myself. So we picked this guy up. I don't know what he's called. Oh, so it looks like this. My mom says these grow pretty long, so I'm gonna have to change out the pots. You know, now and then, but it's so pretty. I love how green it is. And this is my first plant, you guys, my first plant. So this is golden pothos, golden pothos. What? Oh my gosh, you guys are probably gonna think I'm crazy for not knowing how to pronounce that. It looks like that. It was only $5.98. It was $6, and I thought it was so cute. So I think I'm gonna put it over in my living room. I have huge windows, so the light comes through often. So this will get a sufficient amount of light here in the apartment. And oh my gosh, she's so pretty. And then I went to Ross really quick because I had to exchange something, and I found this pot, which I think is going to be perfect for my little plant. It's a perfect size for her. So I need to get some more topsoil because my mom's like, you gotta put a little bit of fresh soil in there as well when you transfer the plant over to a pot. So this was actually on sale for $5.49, and it's very heavy. It's like a thick ceramic, and I love the gold detail. You guys know my accent color is gold, so I think this is gonna be perfect for my plant. And that is everything that I picked up today. I spent quite a bit of money, but I knew I was gonna spend a decent amount of money today because I needed these things. I needed necessities. I didn't have a shower curtain. Like, who am I? And like, I was using a beach towel as my bath mat. So if you guys enjoyed this haul nonetheless, more videos to come. I have so much content written in my notebook that I need to produce, and I've only been here a week, and I'm really trying to settle in, and I'm really excited to share everything with you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have yet to subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. If you don't follow me on Instagram yet, please do. I'm gonna leave my handle right here. It's my first and last name, Jerlyn Phan, and I'm really active on Instagram, so go check me out there. Other than that, I thank you guys so much for continuing to watch me and support me on this crazy journey that I'm on, and I love you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!